How to join Shopee affiliate program. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So utilizing Shopee is very simple. What we're going to do is you're going to click on me over here on the bottom right. And over here under more activities, you will be able to see my likes, buy again, so on and so forth. And over here you could see affiliate program. So simply select that. And over here there are step by step on what we need to do. So first things first, select your account type, whether you're an individual or an enterprise. Then choose your promotional platform. Are you going to promote Shopee through Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and so on and so forth? You're also going to enter your contact phone number, contact email, and email verification over here. After this, you're going to simply click on submit, and you will then be able to apply for a verification or apply for their affiliate program. Now, keep in mind, this is not guaranteed, but this is basically an application for you to be able to start your affiliate journey with Shopee. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.